This is the TWSBI Eco T fountain pen. The pen comes in a cardboard sleeve with the TWSBI logo. That sleeve will slide off and the pen is in a plastic box. It has the TWSBI logo here on the top of the box lid. With the Eco, you can see through the transparent box. And there is information about TWSBI as well as the instructions guides for the pen. Included with the pen is a small wrench that allows you to take the pen apart. And there is also a bottle of silicone grease for when you take it apart to keep it from leaking when you put it back together. Now, this of course is the TWSBI Eco T fountain pen. It has a TWSBI logo on the top of the cap with a triangular kind of shaped cap. The cap comes in different colors. This happens to be the mint green, and it has silver colored trim with a silver clip, silver band at the end of the cap of the pen, engraved with TWSBI and Eco T Taiwan on the back. It has a clear demonstrator. You can see the piston mechanism inside as you use the pen, and a knob that matches the color of the cap as well as the shape of the cap on the end. The knob runs real smooth and easily. You just twist it and the knob runs, or the piston runs inside the body of the pen, allows you to fill it. It also creates a small gap here for that wrench that we showed earlier to remove the piston and to take it apart. The cap is threaded and will unscrew and post nicely on the end of the barrel of the pen. The section matches the rest of the barrel, allows you to see the ink flow through the section. And the feed has a black feed with a stainless steel silver colored nib. You can see the TWSBI logo engraved on the nib. Just a great little piston fountain pen. Some great colors. Get your TWSBI Eco T fountain pen at penchalet.com.